All right, John, thank you. And the Fairfax County School Board is now asking a judge to order a sexual abuse survivor to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars in legal fees. And this after the survivor sued the board based on alleged Title IX violations.
Yeah, back in April, a jury found the school board not liable. But the former student is now asking a federal court to grant a new trial. 7 News reporter Nick Minock spoke exclusively with her all new at 5.
Kate is a former Fairfax County Public Schools student. She does not want to show her face at this time or use her real name, but she wants to share her story to let sexual abuse survivors know they aren't alone.
When I was 12 years old and in the 7th grade at Rachel Carson Middle School, I was subjected to sexual abuse by peers at school, and I had reported that I was a victim of sexual violence to my teachers, guidance counselors, and administrators.
Kate sued the Fairfax County School Board and FCPS staff and sought damages for pain and suffering. The case went to a jury. In closing arguments, the Fairfax County School Board's attorney argued Kate was the person who initiated sexual contact. And when it came to the rape allegation, the Fairfax County School Board's attorney said no one saw a thing and that Kate was the only witness to the alleged rape off campus.
I think that that is an example of what victim blaming and victim shaming is. I think it's very sad because when I was 12 years old, I received a rape kit, and the rape kit was conclusive of rape injuries.
The jury sided with the Fairfax County School Board, and while Kate is asking a federal court to grant a new trial, the Fairfax County School Board is asking a judge to order Kate to pay nearly $250,000 of the school board's court fees. FCPS told 7 News in a statement, quote, as a publicly funded body, Fairfax County Public Schools takes proper guardianship of taxpayer dollars seriously. The complainant of this baseless lawsuit was seeking $22 million of those taxpayer dollars in damages. We always believed our staff acted professionally and with compassion and the circumstances that led to this lawsuit, which were also investigated by police at the time, unquote. Alexander Prout is the co-founder of I Have a Right To, an organization that advocates for sexual abuse survivors and works with schools to educate school staff and students about sexual abuse and harassment. Prout said if a judge orders Kate to pay the school board's court costs, he's concerned about what message that would send to sexual abuse survivors.
If this is successful, it will send such a chilling message to survivors everywhere, but particularly within Fairfax County, that their voice is not one that will be listened to or believed or supported.
It's really a way to silence other victims and deter them from coming forward.
Nick Minock, 7 News.
And 7 News asked Fairfax County Schools to provide the total amount of tax dollars the school system spent litigating this case with outside attorneys. The media relations team told us to submit a Freedom of Information Act request to get that information. We are expecting to get those answers next week. As for Kate's request for a new trial, the school board has until June 17th to respond, and Kate will have an opportunity to respond by July 1st. After that, the judge will make a decision on the request for a new trial.